Psychology, the science of mind and behaviour. Studying psychology will mean that students are engaged in examining questions about human behaviour to determine the causes. Therefore, the theories, theoretical concepts, and research that psychologists undertake will be studied and their findings and conclusions debated. Psychology raises as many questions as it seeks to answer, hence the fascination with the subject. It is concerned with people, everyday activities that involve people, and therefore it is said that psychology is all around us. For example, in a typical lesson recently, we were looking at the use of the scientific method in psychology, where the behaviours being studied fell under the heading of mental disorders. The various research methods and arguments that psychologists put forward meant that we debated genetic, neural, and cognitive explanations for mental disorders. We went on to look at the role of cognitive neuroscience so that we could get a fuller picture of new technologies that are being used today to understand the workings of the brain. We were criticizing and evaluating the theories as well as analyzing the research. The fascination with these different methods of investigation and explanations gives students opportunities to explore the biological approach to psychology, raising various questions to do with the role of hormones, genes, neurotransmitters, and evolutionary determinants of human behaviour. Psychology students can then compare and contrast the theories to give them a better understanding of the patient and the impact of the environment on the patient, which is as important as knowing how the brain and the nervous system works. Hence, there's also an emphasis on social psychological theories and research to enable students to look at how other people influence us and whether or not human behaviours are learned. The debates and discussions are central to the study of psychology, as a significant proportion of the marks in exams will go towards the effective evaluation of theories and studies. Careers where psychology would be useful are in medicine, law, business, neuroscience, anthropology, biomedical sciences. And careers in psychology: forensic psychologist, health psychologist, counselling psychologist, clinical psychologist, cognitive neuropsychologist, sports and exercise psychologist, and organisational and business psychologists.